See them learn. See them experience things for the first time. See happiness. See an eye doctor before age 3. See better, live better with Eye Surgeons Associates.
Hello, my name is Christine Garrow, and it's time for an episode of Kids Grab and Go. Today, we are going to be making paper towel tube kazoos. This is an opportunity every month for you to come in and grab a bag of supplies to make a fun craft. If you haven't already picked up your bag of supplies, you can pick it up starting July 3rd in the kids area of the Bettendorf Public Library during open hours. I've got my bag here, so let's see what's inside. First of all, I have my written instructions. You can follow along with these as well as this video to complete this project. Of course, I've got a paper towel tube. You'll notice that there are already 3 pre-punched holes inside of your paper towel tube. I've also got a couple sheets of colored paper, a piece of wax paper, a rubber band, a glue stick, as well as a couple rolls of what we call washi tape or decorative tape. So now that we have everything we need, let's get started on our project.
The first step to making your kazoo is to decorate the paper towel tube. You can cut up the paper and use the glue stick to add it to the paper towel tube. You can also use the washi tape to make your kazoo even more colorful. Try to avoid covering up the pre-punched holes in the paper towel tube, or ask an adult for help to re-poke the holes. When you're done decorating, center the wax paper over one opening of the paper towel tube. Wrap the wax paper around that end of the paper towel tube and use the rubber band to hold it in place as shown. Then it's time to make some noise. Blow air through the opposite opening of the paper towel tube while humming. Place your fingers over the pre-punched holes to experiment with making different sounds.
We hope you enjoy making your own paper towel tube kazoos. Keep an eye on our online calendar at bettendorflibrary.com for future Kids Grab and Go events. Until then, bye!